Alright, what's good, YouTube? So today, I'm working on a funded challenge. Um, so if you look on this account, if you look up here in the corner, I have 50,144 dollars. Um, I should have made this series on like how to come back from a funded account because I ain't gonna lie, I was down like 1,500 on it because I only use one contract at a time, and then for one trade I used two contracts because I was real confident, but I ended up losing them both. So like I was I was down on bread, so I just went back to one contract and we brought it back. Um, so yeah, um, we're gonna make a little series. I'm gonna do how to pass this 50K challenge. Top step. That's who I'm using right now, and yeah. So right now on gold, if you take a look at this, it's clearly bearish, right? But I want you guys to notice on the hour, the 4 hour, we're not closing them below this level, not yet at least. So we still got a level of support. I do expect price to come back down a little bit more. I do have this demand marked up right here, only because of us not closing in there and we close back into this range. So remember how I said right here, right? So if you look on the 5, we rejected and we closed back into this range. We closed below, but then we closed back in, and now we have a demand. This up here is also supply. Don't get me wrong, this is also supply. So price could just continue dropping. I just had this demand marked up just because I feel like there is a possibility for this to be like a double bottom, or like we may just pop up out of here. Um so that's why I felt a little bit more like um that's why I'm really looking for like a buy right now. But I don't think it's gonna be necessarily a long-term buy. It could be, it could turn into one. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's like it's a little bit of a tough one because we're right in between a supply and a bearish market and a demand. But um, and it's okay to take either one. Usually I would say just go with the trend, but like I said, because we're sitting at this support, I just think it's probably gonna go up. Like, yeah, this hourly is probably gonna come down a little bit more, make a little bottom wick or something, maybe even fill the range. But then I feel like it's gonna come back up and either close like doji or close bullish at support. Um, so we just gotta wait and see what happens. If it breaks through, it breaks through. That's fine. We'll look for to take the sales, because if it does break through below here, it's gonna close on the hour underneath, and then we'll just start looking for supplies only. So now we got gold getting ready. Oh, let me go to the top step. So we got gold getting ready to take off. I do believe that we're gonna push up. If we push up, it could just be here, could be down more. I don't know yet, but we're gonna take buys as long as we close bullish like how we are, and then we break this high. We're getting in. And then hopefully if it does give me what I want, we could be in and out the market today. It's only 8:18. We could probably be out by before 9. You know what I mean? So I'm actually gonna put 2 contracts. So if we do, it would be like a $300 risk. I do wish this came in a little bit deeper, but it's fine. So so this will be our position as long as it closes the way I want it to. We'll have a position like this. I'm gonna aim for like probably about somewhere up here. Oh. Boom.
Order
Now
filled.
we in. And then for 101, yeah, we could just take one contract off right there. Wait, market, yeah, market sell, right? Limit sell.
Order filled.
Wait, fuck. Oh my gosh, bro. See, fuck. All right. Damn. So I just lost $60 fucking for no reason. Damn. I forgot how to do that shit. I should have just let it ride. I'm gonna get in for the buy.
Order filled.
It's all right. Yeah, I gotta learn this future shit better. That was dumb as hell. I thought it was. Wait, now I'm in for 3. Oh, cause I put in 2. All right, come on, this is bad. This is this is not what was supposed to happen, but it's okay. We gonna still take this dub. We gonna be in and out the market. Yeah, guys, if you watching this, like, you guys get the point of the what I was trying to do, but I wouldn't say take 3 contracts on here, but I'm going to probably just hold it since I fucked up already. So hopefully this doesn't just go in the wrong direction for me. We want to pull up here, and if we could at least just grab this liquidity, I could get out right there too. That's fine with me. So that'd be a nice little, you know what I mean? Go. All right, so I'm gonna get ready to get out. We're getting a nice push. Can we close above? We got 2 minutes for a closure. If we could get one more push up, that'd be good. That'd be great. Come on, go ahead, re-break them highs one more time for me. Give me a nice strong push. Okay, market sell. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna do an aggressive trail. Oh, never mind. I don't really like that. We're gonna get out at 1,000. If we could get 1,000, we're gonna get out at 1,000. But I'm gonna trail this real aggressive right now. Right there. And the only reason why I'm trailing so aggressive is just because I don't want to give back profits. This is a funded account, bro. Oh, there we go. And we are done
Order
for the
filled.
day. All right, so profit is 997 today. Obviously my fucking dumbass did that shit where I accidentally did the things with the contract. I gotta get better. Get better with futures, because I'm a forex guy, you know what I'm saying? So like this like sell limit, and I be getting confused sometimes still. I gotta still like make sure like I lock in on that. Like I understand it, but like you know, like this kind of confused me how it had market sell and then limit sell. And I think I in my head I'm thinking like, yeah, like it gotta be the limit, but cause like sell limit, it would make more sense than market. But I was like, well, I mean, if I'm executing right now, cause you see how I got all the different oh, they're all the same number though. Yeah, I don't know, that was just some stupid shit I did. It's fine. I do expect this price to keep going up. But yeah, let's review this trade. Let's review this trade. So when I came to the chart this morning, we have this right here, right? So the reason why I was willing to take buys is because we rejected this level, but we closed back into it. And when we closed back in here, we left a supply. I mean, a demand right here. And yes, we were right in between supply and demand, but the thing about it was, we just had room to like push up, you know what I mean? So I took the demand based off of us closing back into this range, and I feel like price will eventually probably pull back up here. The reason why you didn't see me hold the trade even longer was, number one, we have a supply right here that I expected to get tapped into before rejecting, which it is rejecting right now. Obviously it broke the supply, so it could continue to go up. But the other reason is because on these funded accounts, you can't make a certain amount. So I think if like I could have probably held till like 1500, or actually, since I lost that first trade by, well, I didn't lose it, but like, you know what I mean. I probably could have brought it to like 1400, I mean 1600, and it wouldn't have affected me. But yeah, so yeah, that's what we did. I'm not gonna lie, in the part 2 of the series, I probably won't use 3 contracts again, but that was just like a mistake on my part. I'm probably gonna still use 1 to 2 contracts. But I'm not gonna lie, like 3 contracts isn't bad in this scenario, because like look at how much the risk was. It was only 16 pips. So it was roughly around the same risk that I would use anyway with a 1 or 2 contract. Just because recently, not all the time, but recently, with the way the market has been, my stop loss has been a little bit bigger. Like the past like month or so, or maybe like month and a half, the market has been moving real like volatile. So, well, does that make sense? With a lot of volatility, right? And so we just been moving all over the place. And so my stop loss on any normal given day is usually between like, I would say 50, no, between like 10 and 25 pips usually. But as of recently, it's been closer to like 30, like 25 to like 40, just because of like how the market has been moving. Like these small ass candles, they look small, but they really been big as fuck the past month or whatever, month and a half. So yeah, but it was a great day today. That's what I like to do. We out at 8:30, before 8:30. So I'm loving this. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace. And this shit's still going up.